Hello and welcome to our day 15, and today we are exploring two aggregate functions, which is average and sum. We are looking at average and sum. So average is actually used on a numeric column, sum also on a numeric column. So when you want to find typical values in a data set, average will actually come in handy. Typical values in a data set, average will come in handy. So let's look at our average rental duration of all films. Rental duration of all films. We're going to select, and then this is AVG. It's actually the keyword AVG, rental duration. Then we talked about alias. I want it to come out at average rental duration from film. So we wanted to find our average rental duration, and then we talked about alias in the last video. So let's run our query. You will see our average rent duration is 4.9850. Let's say, for example, I want to calculate the average amount. Select average amount. We want to calculate the average customer spending. Average customer spending. Because if you go to our customer table, okay, there is no amount. So average is more on it's actually used on numeric column alone, and we have seen how to calculate the average rental duration. So I will go to sum now, while you could use other example to practice average. By using sum, let's say we want to sum the rental duration now, no longer the average. So we are going to select, and then use our sum keyword, and then rental duration, our alias. I want it to come out as total rental duration, total rental duration from film. So select, sum all the total duration, and then I want the column to come under this heading, total rental duration. So I'll run this 4,985. That's our total rental duration. So you could see how to use the average and the sum, the average and the sum. So in our film table, this is where we have the rental duration. So we have just showed how to use average, rental duration, sum, rental duration, and all of them are numeric columns. That is, they are numbers. So thank you very much. We have come to the end of looking at average and sum. Please subscribe, like, comment. See you tomorrow on our day 16. Thank you.